class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Today, in our Greek science, we are going to be learning ruminant animals. What topic?
Ruminant animal.
Again,
Ruminant animal.
ruminant animals. When we talk of ruminant animals, they are large animals that have 4 compartment stomach. How many compartment stomach do they have?
4.
They regurgitate and then they chew cord. When you see some animal, when they are resting, they will start chewing their mouth. Have you ever seen any animal like that?
Yes.
Can you mention some example of that animal?
Yes.
Mention one.
Cow.
Yes, cow. It's okay, thank you. Now, the stomach of this animal are divided into 4 different chambers. The first chamber is rumen. Say it.
Rumen.
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 Reticulum.
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 Omazon.
Omazon.
Again.
Omazon.
Abomazon.
Abomazon.
So this 4 compartment stomach is present in those big animals. Now, the example of those animals are, number 1, we have goats. Examples of ruminant animal. 1, we have goats. What did I call it?
Goat.
Then we have sheep.
Sheep.
We have cattle.
Cattle.
Do not say cow. So cattle is the general name for both cow and bull. When you are talking of cow, you are talking of the female cattle alone. So you say cattle, say it.
Cattle.
We have horse.
Horse.
Now, again, I want to briefly explain again. The ruminant animals, say that.
The ruminant animals.
These animals
Have 4
complex stomach.
complex stomach.
4 complex stomach.
4 complex